Ah! Hello world. It's been a few days, but I am back. So before I get into this video, I'm going to say two things. Number one, I am not an advocate for mass surveillance, but I am an advocate for making the world a better and safer place. And number two, this is a bit of a technical video, so I need you guys to lock in. With that being said, let's get into it. So let me take you back to 2 weeks ago. I was on the train on my way to work and I hear this loud beeping. I remember thinking to myself, what is that noise? So I looked down on my phone and I realized it's an Amber Alert. And on paper, that's fine, right? But there just has to be a better way. Because keep in mind, I'm on my way to work. It's 9 a.m. My manager's pinging me on Slack. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I just don't have the mental bandwidth to direct at finding this missing person.
Hold up. Let him go.
That's not to say I don't care about them, but I'm just a little bit preoccupied. So I thought to myself, how could we fix this problem? And the answer is an all-knowing, an all-seeing machine. So that's what we're building today. With that being said, let's jump into it. So, after hours of brainstorming, I broke down the problem into 3 big parts. The first part was information. To find a missing person, you need large amounts of visual information about the world. And the best source of this data are live streams, security camera footage, and of course, access to things like phones and laptops.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You and I, as civilians, we do not have access to every single device and their camera, unlike certain agencies. But that's okay. For this video, we're only going to be focusing on video live streams and security camera footage. So let's code it up and coding montage. So first, we need to find security camera footage that we can freely access. After doing a bunch of digging, I found bang, bang. I found these two. Next, we need to find a way to get every stream happening on YouTube, Twitch, and even Kick. So, bang, bang, bang! Now we have access to thousands of cameras from across the world, all streaming data right to us. The second part of this problem is now that we have all this information, how do we process it and find who or what we're looking for? And the answer to that is AI.
That's it! I have had enough! Enough! You get out!
So we're using this model called YOLO V8, and the way this model works is essentially it takes in a natural language query and some sort of media. Then it scans that media to see if what you're searching for is within it, and if it is, it returns to you the coordinates. So you could say something like, hey, find me anyone with a backpack, and if a person with a backpack exists in that media, it's gonna find that person and return it back to us. Now we're essentially doing this on thousands and thousands of clips every single second. So right now, here's what our process looks like. Number one, you define exactly who or what you are looking for. Number two, our central system connects to thousands of security camera footage and streams to search for that person or thing you're looking for. And that brings me to step 3, which is if the person or thing you're looking for is found within that live media, you will be alerted and you will also be given the person's photo, location, and any other relevant information. And here's Future Nate giving you a full demo of the product. All right, so here we have our stream playing. And as you can see, for every single one of them, it's identifying exactly what's going on and it's searching for what we're looking for. So right now I have it set to find anyone wearing a white t-shirt. So if I go to our view here, I can see all the different captures of people wearing white tees. So if I just go ahead and click a random one, as you can see, someone wearing a white tee. I don't know, let's click on this one. Yeah, and that's how it works. And yeah, that's my plan to eliminate the missing person problem. Now I do know there are a lot of concerns here, right? Things like, mass surveillance, AI takeover, social credit. And to that I say, hey, there is something to be said about the security of you, me, and our country. No, but on a serious note, thank you guys for watching. This was just a cool little side project I wanted to work on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process. But before you click off, I do want to just have like a little heart-to-heart yap with you guys at the end of every video. So here's me starting that. As some of you might remember, I recently went to Kazakhstan, but I think what I gained the most from that experience was really clarity about what I want to work on in the future. Because initially I thought I want to maybe build a company around languages and the process of language learning. But I've come to realize the world is becoming so globalized by the day. That is not what I want to focus on for the next 10 years. And with that being said, what I do want to focus on is robotics, machines, and really just improving myself from a technical standpoint. So I'd love to continue to keep making videos like this for you guys and for myself. And yeah, thank you for watching. You already know what to do, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, or don't. See ya.